on the computer, Twitch, YouTube. These glasses keep reading out when people join, so it's funny. Yo, hello everyone. We're going live. The first thing I wanted to check out today was this blog post by e2b.dev that's showing AI agents in 2024 and their predictions by some of the people in the scene. So yeah, let's check it out. Let me just make sure everything is working. Yeah, everything looks good. Alright, shouts out to Teresa for this blog post. AI agents in 2024. So I think they've chatted to these people. Ismail, co-founder at Super Agent. Ted, co-founder at Rubik Labs. Jonathan, co-founder of Fine. Kaveen, contractor at OpenAI. John, co-founder at Taskade. Rahul, co-founder of Agent Hub, and Max Musing, founder of BaseDash. I actually haven't heard of many of these. Let's just go through them. What's Super Agent? Oh, I have heard of Super Agent. I haven't used it though. The AI assistance framework. Rubik Labs. A digital studio making AI first software. Oh, they made Cal AI? Is that the one I use? No, I use cal.com. But I guess this is similar. But it uses AI to book meetings for you. Pretty cool. About that labels your GitHub issues, inbox notification used by 3,000 devs. Cool. Okay, we'll just go on to the blog itself. Yo, G3 Love, hello. How you doing? Hope you're well. What do you predict for AI agents, AI products in 2024? Yo, plus jobs. Been slammed. Happy New Year. Okay, good. I thought you were just, hyping me up and then letting me down, but I'm sure you've just been busy, so I'll give you the benefit of a doubt. Good to see you back, though. Let's make this like bigger and narrower so I can put it in a TikTok later. Okay, so let's see what they predict for AI agents and AI products in 2024. Ismail from Super Agent says we'll see a lot of LLM extensions / adapters. A concept similar to database extensions, these extensions would augment the abilities of the LLM without using prompt techniques. Examples would be extensions for structured outputs, like function calling, similar to Outlines Dev or JSON Former packages on GitHub. Future examples would be adapters for memorization of new content, an alternative to RAG. Cool. Did I try Crew AI? No, I haven't tried Crew AI yet. That is on the list. Yeah, I have a big list of things. Crew AI is here. But, yeah. We'll see if we get to it. Probably not this stream, but maybe tomorrow. Let's see what Ted says. Ted says AI agents will show results in 2024. Barriers to entry will continue to drop through low-code tools and education. Product will be the main moat for AI startups. I kind of agree with that. Like, just the actual service you provide could be a moat in itself. Yo, Alexander, good to see you. On all the platforms. Kaveen, Waterloo, and OpenAI. Oh, Kaveen said there will be a significant focus on personalization and context awareness, allowing AI to provide more tailored and relevant interactions within environments that we use daily. I think we'll also see more drivable and coherent collaborative AI, where agents work in tandem with humans to accomplish tasks. I'm just going to turn down my sound. These glasses keep reading out whenever people join. It's kind of annoying. John Taskade, AI agents will become even more integrated into our daily workflows, especially in project management and collaborative spaces. They'll not only automate tasks, but also provide deeper insights and predictions, allowing us to make smarter decisions. I watched a movie? No, I haven't watched a movie. Oh, good. Yo, Nordine asked, what am I reading? I'm reading the 2024 like predictions in AI. Just a blog that e2b made. I think they released it today actually. Oh no, yesterday. Or well, maybe today, depends where you are in the world. I've interviewed a bunch of people in the space and just asked what their predictions are. Yeah. Yeah, I just got these glasses today. Well, not today, yesterday. Jobs. They're pretty cool. The video quality is actually cool. And now I'm like live on Instagram, but I don't think the actual Instagram video is very interesting because it's quite fish-eyed. So like they're not going to be able to see the screen, but I just figured it's, it's something. Hopefully they'll see that I'm live on Instagram and then come over to, YouTube or Twitch or whatever. Yo, Zarif, what's up? Ixof, what's up? Good to see you guys. Happy New Year. Rahul said, browsing agents that interface with web browsers at a high level will be able to robustly and reliably autonomously perform at the same level of humans or better for 90% of the things we spend our time with web browsers doing. Yeah, there's lots of people working on this. This is one of the spaces I'm most interested about, is these browsing agents. And I just got access to Multion. So I did have, I want to compare all of these browsing agents, but I want to, develop some good use cases for them before I do that. Yo, Nick, what's good? Happy New Year. What's your favorite, most used AI product in 2023? Ismail said Perplexity. Yeah, I really like Perplexity as well. So did Ted, but I stopped using it recently. I just feel like it wasn't catching up. Real-time search results make LLM chat much more useful. Yeah. Nick says, I think Multion is the most advanced one so far. Yeah, it seems really promising. I can't wait to try it. But I also have you seen the Agency Web one? I want to try that too. Agency Web. That one's actually open source. Web agency? Yeah. Agency Swarm cannot. Agency Swarm. They've made a whole framework. The only issue with this one is it's not a Chrome extension, so it doesn't have your session. So you have to kind of give it your login details every time, which is a bit annoying. Jonathan says Ollie AI was their favorite. What is Ollie AI? Your personal shopping assistant. Help you find thoughtful gifts with ease. Oh, that's pretty cool. My most used AI product was OpenAI API, GPT-4 Vision more recently. John's biased towards Taskade AI. What is Taskade AI? AI-powered productivity. Okay. Can I actually do stuff or just come up with mind maps and plans? Looks like just mind maps and plans. Which is fine. Nick says you should try out Decohere AI. Alright, let me have a look. Decohere.ai. Create what can't be filmed. Oh, this is an AI video generator. Looks pretty cool. But from all the ones I've seen, Pika Labs looks the best. What's their pricing like? 25 videos a month for free. But with a watermark. Or you get 1,800 for $7 without a watermark. Pretty good. Cursor for Rahul. Yeah, Cursor is great for developers. Max says Raycast AI proved to me that speed is often more important than capabilities. What's Raycast AI? Supercharged productivity. Got a demo or something? I don't really know what they do. Write scripts in your favorite programming language to connect web APIs. System commands.
Joe Dobbs has left. Currently no viewers. BANEVANS is watching.
Cool. Is that the end of the interview? Oh no, they've made a landscape. Yeah. e2b's always had this landscape of agents. Very cool. Yo, Ronald Duck, what's up? Have you heard about the OpenAI lawsuit with New York Times? Yes, I have. Very interesting. I wonder what's going to come out of that. Hopefully it's fine. It would be really shit if they like stop all GPT-4 development. What's that website? Really interesting. This is e2b.dev. I think if you just search e2b.dev agent landscape, you'll find this. Do you have a Discord where I can learn, explore, or expose new tech that I'm not familiar with? Yeah, I have a Discord, Kaiser. Link should be in my link tree in the bio. Thanks for the comment. Yo, Golden American. Just tested evo.ninja, the best one to use. Easy AF. Wait, what's evo.ninja? Have I tried Big AGI? No, I haven't. What's evo.ninja? Yo, Sami Chowdhury in the Instagram. AI that learns in real time. Won first place at Super AGI's Autonomous Agents Hackathon. Okay. That sounds pretty cool. Sounds pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna take these headphones off. I mean, meta glasses off on Instagram because it's getting a bit annoying. But yeah, shout out to everyone that watched on the Instagram. evo.ninja, they have a GitHub. Yo, holy crap, my TikTok viewers just spiked to above 70. That's insane. I don't think I've ever hit that much before. So what makes evo.ninja different from, like, let's say ChatGPT? So it's an actual agent, I assume. So does that mean it can perform actual tasks? CSV, research. Oh, it can research the internet. It can build software. Okay. Should we test it? You can test it out. Yo, Nicholas, Remsi. Happy New Year, guys. Thanks, everyone. Alright, let's test it. It's just online, so it should be easy to test. I just don't... What's a good prompt, guys? Any suggestions? They got some sample ones here. How much time was spent... okay, so you can upload CSVs and ask about them. How many people were born in the US? Who were the hosts? Write their names to a file. Oh, that's really cool. Write results to a file. So let's get it to do some research and write the results to a file. Let's say find the latest blog posts on AI agents and write the results to a file. Oh, that's sick. So it has a workspace on the left here that I guess it can make files and stuff there. Okay, so I need to sign in and upload my API key from OpenAI, so bear with me while I do that. Oh, actually, I have an idea. I don't know if we can do this. So check this out. I have a Google Sheet. here, right? So I have a bunch of these. I'll be really surprised if we can do this. I have a bunch of these agents that I wanted to test out, and they have different like columns here. Like, can this agent manage Google Calendar? Can this agent reply to emails? Can it do this? Can it do this? Let's see if, I don't know, can this figure it out? Can this fill the sheet? Let's see. Nick has asked, can I do a table about volcanic activity? That sounds too much. Are you gonna? I'm gonna dox my key here. Oh, I didn't even copy it. What the fuck? Oh, I didn't press Control V. Oh, whoops. Guys, close your eyes. You didn't see that. Is that the same as GPT-4? Yeah, I assume it's using GPT-4 API. I assume. I don't know. I don't know if that's legit. Okay, so I've uploaded the sheet. Oh, it's loading the sheet. Have I applied to the Anthropic jobs? Yeah, I actually applied to the one that I thought I was the most suitable for. The the one where you make tutorials and talk about tech. Okay. Can you fill the AI agent's CSV sheet criteria columns by viewing each row's website and analyzing it? Let's see. Can it do that? Yo, Nick, 68 on TikTok? Yeah, 83. This is the most viewers I've ever had on TikTok. I don't know why it suddenly spiked up, but I'm not complaining. Happy to see it. Bring it on. 90 viewers. Let's go to the moon. 94? Oh shit, can we hit 100? Can we hit 100? You deserve it. Oh, thanks Ronald Duck. Appreciate you. Kirsten, thank you for the like. It's a New Year's gift. Let's go. Who donating today? No donations today. That's fine. We don't need donations. It's because of the likes. Oh, yes. Thank you, guys. Whoever's liking, thank you guys so much. How many likes are we on? I'm going to check it out on my phone. 3.2K. Let's go. Thanks, guys. I'm liking it as well. Boost that shit up. More likes, more viewers. Okay. So, okay, it's analyzing this. Can we get to see it? It's going to analyze the CS. So it's selected a CSV agent to analyze the CSV first. The goal has been achieved. Let's see. I'm unable to fill the CSV sheets as I don't have the capability to browse the internet. Oh. So it tried to get the CSV analyst to browse the internet. Pass the URL on to another agent that can browse the internet. Can it can it not talk to other agents? Let's see what happens. Nicholas says, what's the plan today? I'm just like viewing stuff. I don't have a solid plan. I have a whole bunch of stuff in my to-do list. So I just did this, and I guess now we're doing evo.ninja. The person that recommended evo.ninja, who was that? Golden American, thank you. Shout out to them. They also suggested big AGI, which I'll also put on the list. There's a router between them, yeah. Well, here's the thing. They said they had a researcher agent that can search the internet, but for some reason they're trying to get the CSV agent to... Oh no, researcher agent. There is no URL provided. Okay, let me just rewrite this prompt for the second time. Yay, we got the gifts from Nick. Thank you so much, Nick. Appreciate you. It's going ham. Okay. Oh, it doesn't keep the file I uploaded. Thanks so much, Nick. Okay, so where's the file? Okay. Use CSV agent to analyze this CSV and send the URL from each row to the researcher agent along with criteria for the researcher to answer questions about. Now let's see if we can do that. Yo, Ferdinand, good to see you back. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Nicholas says, have you tried the LLM that works without transformers? Oh, Mamba? No, I haven't actually tried it. I do want to try it though. Nisari, thank you for the follow. Open router striped hyena is quite good, but lost to Mistral. Yeah, I mean, if it's losing to Mistral, what's the point? Alberto, hey! How are you doing? Nick Humphries says, donation's gonna help that dusty trim thing. Nick Humphries is my #1 hater in the chat. But he's like a loving hater, so it's okay, we forgive him. But yes, I will get a haircut eventually. I'm going to Thailand on Friday, and I'm waiting to go to Thailand to get the haircut. Because I have a wedding there, and I want to be fresh. John Powell says, what LLM are you using for continue dev? If I'm using a local one, I use Magic Coder or DeepSeek Coder. Otherwise, I'll use GPT-4. Haters mean success, yes. That's right. I'm drinking lemon tea. It's very sour. Okay, Evo. Oh shit, this has done a lot of steps. Oh, cool. So it actually did it this time. So Hyperwrite Personal Assistant is the first one. And it fully researched it. It's got all these answers about it. I mean, I didn't specifically say answer the criteria, did I? Oh, along with the criteria. I didn't say criteria from the columns. So extract the URLs from each row of the CSV file, yeah. Oh, the researcher is still able to read the CSV file. Oh. So we didn't even need the CSV agent. That's pretty cool though. I feel like there'll be some cases for this evo.ninja where maybe GPT-4 won't be able to do, maybe? Not sure. Big ups on the growth. Oh, thanks, Nick. Nicholas says, I watched a few videos about Mamba and to be honest, I didn't understand anything. I'm curious if it's better in any way. Did my Ray-Bans arrive? Yeah, John Power. I guess you missed the start of the stream, but I was actually streaming on Instagram with them. Here they are. See, I got the blue light blocking ones. I got the 2 cameras. Yeah, they're really cool. I really like them. I really like the sound quality and the mic quality in them. So I use ChatGPT's like call functionality, you know, when you can talk to it while I'm on a walk. So I just have these on, I'm out walking, and I'm just talking to ChatGPT, asking it research questions and trying to learn more about stuff. Sweet, so this actually got all the pieces from the CSV and went and did some research on it. It didn't exactly answer the specific criteria, but let's see if we can follow up. There is specific criteria in the following columns in the columns of the CSV. Can you answer those questions? Whether each agent has those features or not. Let's see if we can do that. Make this a bit bigger for everyone. How much are they? 1200? No, this is only like 450 Australian, so maybe like I'd say like 380-ish American, maybe a bit less. I don't know. That's a rough estimate. Quick math. Angus, thank you for the follow. Yeah, they're pretty cool, and there's so many different colors. Like, I'll show you them. Like, you can get sunglasses, you can get transition lenses, you can get these red ones. Different styles as well. Like, I just got these wafer ones, but you can get all the different styles. Why is there only 3? There should be more. I don't know. It's only showing. Oh, I guess these are the 2 styles, and then once you click into one, you can see the different colors. So I got these blue light blocking ones. But you can get this one as a transition, so it does the sunglasses as well as the normal. Very cool. Yeah, no screen. They don't have a screen, Ronald Duck. The camera, I don't know if it's 4K. There's 2 12 megapixel cameras. I don't think it's 4K. It's like kind of like 1080p, I think. Does it say camera? Oh, it does say 4K. Okay, my bad. Yeah, I mean the camera looked really good. The low light is shit. But yeah, no, the quality is actually pretty good. So yeah, it is 4K for image. And then 1440 for video, 30 FPS. Bone conducting headphones? No, they're not. But they're pretty good. They're really good quality headphones. I mean, speakers, but they're not bone conducting. They're just close to your ear. And they're not like too loud to other people, but they're like, they're not bone conducting. Ready to answer questions about the specific features of each agent listed. Provide the criteria. Alright. Can they... It's not even going to be able to do this because you have to actually test this. It doesn't say the answer to these questions on their website, so I'm probably going to give up on this. But thanks so much, Golden American, for suggesting that. We'll check out your other suggestion as well. Big AGI. Let's see what that is. I've created you in Big AGI as persona from YouTube video. Like you as in me? Can we see it? Wait, Big AGI is a personal AI powered by GPT-4 with personas. Text to image, voice, streaming, code highlighting, and execution, PDF import. Wow, it can do everything the others can. DALL-E 3 integration, Open Router for better model management, Google Gemini support. Key features. Tailor your AI interactions with customizable personas. Screenshots. The speakers work via the bones near your ears. Yeah. Does it sound different from using in-ear or over-ear headphones? Yeah, for sure. Like, it's not as directed in your ears. You kind of can tell that it's further, like, away from your ears, but the quality sounds pretty good. And another benefit of having it outside your ears is I feel you can take external sound better, but then the drawback is when you're in a loud place, it's going to be really hard to hear it. But when I'm in a quiet place, it's like really easy to hear it. It's fine. Have I tried Mixtral 7B x8? Yes, I have. I've even tried it locally. It was slow, but it worked well. I think everyone is on the consensus that it's pretty much just as good as GPT 3.5. Bunch of screenshots. Can we go through them one by one? Like GIF typing. How does AI type so fast? Okay, that doesn't really help. You can do voice commands, OCR, drag and drop file uploads, multiple AI models. This is pretty sick. So how do you install it? Do you just have to kind of with Docker? Oh, or manually. That's pretty cool. That's really easy. 3 steps to install this. Very good. That's really awesome. I feel like this is something that I would like to use. Should we use it now? In Vercel, yeah, you could deploy it in Vercel. But I think that's a good point, actually. You could either wait. Well, how come they don't have any deployed one? Oh, they do. Here, they've already deployed one themselves. Big AGI, precision for professionals. Do I still have my API key? I don't think I do. No. I guess I could make one. Delete the old one. Make a new one. So it seems like they have all the features, but nothing unique, right? Well, I guess OCR. Nothing really comes with OCR. Oh, we gotta pick a model. Let's go 4 turbo. Wait, what's 406? June 13th? What's this one? Cheaper than... Let's go 4 turbo. Yeah, I'm gonna bring down the temperature a bit. Don't want it to hallucinate too much. Okay. Did we select it? Oh no, that was just... all right. Oh, the UI is great. Oh, you can switch between models. You can switch between styles. Scientist. Can this read papers? Find the latest papers on wait. Oh, can we ask about how does the Mamba AI architecture work? Can it read, like, can it research from the internet? I don't know. Oh, he doesn't know about Mamba AI architecture. Oh, have I tried Pi 2? I think I have. I actually downloaded that one on LM Studio as well. It was pretty shit though. I only tried a couple prompts. Let me see, do I have it? Yeah. I have it. It's really small though, so I feel like this would be good on Edge or something, but yeah, I can't remember what I tested, but it was just like not good, so I don't have a use for it, but you know, if I was developing like a small embedded system or something, I'd probably use it then. Okay, so this doesn't look like it can do research. Let's do new chat. Oh, you can persona create it. I guess this is what Golden America was talking about from a YouTube video. So if I give it one of my YouTube videos, will it know how to speak like me? Let's give it just this one. Love to have a calendar. I've been using ChatGPT. Example. No, whoops. Cancel. I accidentally put an example. Create. Okay, here we go. So I wonder, is it going to talk like me? Would I even be able to tell? Oh, they give it a persona prompt. You are a tech-savvy, inquisitive individual, deeply passionate about AI coding and the endless possibilities of technology. Okay, so you can copy the prompt. And then what? And then we paste it in a... How do we make a system prompt? Custom? Oh, here. You are tech savvy. So now I guess this is like talking to me. What's your favorite AI tool. So how do you spell favorite? Favorite. Oh, that's like asking a chef what their favorite spice is. I'm fascinated about GPT-3. Okay. What other features did it say it had? I guess it's like, it's just a great starting point for sure. You can upload files, but I mean, you can do that with most of these things. What is it? Designer. You can create a logo. And then I guess these are just kind of like system prompts. Okay, cool. Nothing too exciting. What's the call button? Oh, good question. It's grayed out. But I assume it's like you can talk to it and hear it talk back. I don't know why it's grayed out. Maybe we need to have an 11 labs voice calls disabled. Call AGI. Oh, did I turn it back on? Webcam enabled. Tools, browsing. Oh, you need to set up your own Puppeteer endpoint for it to do browsing, or give a Google thing for. Yeah, 11 Labs API key required for the voice. So we can press call, but I'm going to assume it's not going to be able to talk back. Yeah, you need a 11 Labs API key. But that's pretty cool. I guess with tools like this, you won't need GPT Plus. I guess that's a huge benefit of it. Is it free? Yeah, it's free, but you need to put your own API key. So you pay for the usage, but you don't pay the $20 a month that you would for GPT Plus. So yeah, there is that. You can have a phone conversation with the AI, so he waits for your answers and stuff. Yeah, I thought so. Well, that's pretty cool. Thanks for suggesting that, Golden America. Definitely a really cool tool. I feel like, what's the community like? Yeah, 2.2k stars. I feel like, yeah, people are going to keep working on this, and eventually it could even get better than like ChatGPT's UI. And obviously, I guess a big thing as well is you can point it to other models. Yeah, add a model. We can do a local AI. Should we try that? Oh, let's try running like LM Studio. Let's try running Pi 2, just because it's small and fast. But I know it's not going to be very good, but yeah, you could use this UI to interface with your own local model, so that's super cool. I don't know exactly how to... What? Why did it go away? What? Oh my god. I'm trying to... Every time I... Okay, no, it's working. Let's see. It's forbidden. Oh, maybe we don't need the V1. Still forbidden. Local AI slash models. Slash models. Yeah. Maybe there's a cores issue. Maybe you can't run this from the web one, but you could run it from a locally hosted one. So yeah, that's actually another huge benefit, is having an interface like this, because I don't think in LM Studio you can't actually upload like a file for it to read, like a PDF file, right? Yeah, you can't. So yeah, I'm kind of curious now. I want to actually install this, and let's see what happens. So I'm just gonna clone the, wait, did it copy the clone the repository. Then we'll open it up. Big AGI. And install and run the yarn. Yo, Bruce Strike, I have Snoop Dogg on GPT Call, by the way. Yeah, didn't we already test that? Why won't it yarn? No license. Oh, what node version are we running? 20.9. But they... Huh? What's wrong with 20.9? Or 18. Alright, I guess we'll try 21.1. NVM use 21.1. No. NPM install. Guess it doesn't work with yarn for some reason. Free open router API models are also listed. Just talk to the dumbest Snoop Dogg via... Oh, that you were replying to him via open chat model. Yeah, Brutal Strike has a Snoop Dogg on GPT Call. What's the website? gptcall.net. Yeah. I think, can you talk to it for free? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, you can.
Yo, what's cracking, homie? Snoop Dogg here, ready to roll. Nice to meet you too. What can Snoop Dogg do for you?
Where's the actual call though? You used to be able to call it with voice. I guess maybe they've... Oh, here. You just go. Hey,
Yo, what's cracking?
Snoop.
Snoop Dogg here, ready to help you out. What's on your mind?
Hey, yo, Snoop, how do I run npm install on a node package?
No package, no problem. To run npm install without a package file, simply navigate to your project directory using the command line and run npm init to generate a default package, JSON file. Then you can run npm install to install the dependencies listed in the package, JSON file. Easy peasy, my friend. Anything else you need?
Thanks, my G. Yo, Snoop Dogg, I never thought he'd be a good coding tutor. Yo, Dealin, what are we building today? So I'm testing out this package, this library, this project, Big AGI, which has a really nice chat GPT type interface. Thanks, OG, yeah. As a nice chat GPT type interface, but the capabilities seem to extend further than ChatGPT possibly will be able to do. We'll find out soon. So one of the things you can do is add your local models, hopefully. So I'm just gonna make sure that I'm running this server again. I'm just using LM Studio to run a local server with Phi. The smallest model I have, only 1 gigabyte, 3 billion parameters. And I'm just going to copy the URL again. I guess we don't need the v1. And local AI. Oh my god. Every time I try to do a thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, sweet. And you can see that it actually loaded my local model. Great. So now we can switch this to the local model we have and ask it a question. So is Snoop Dogg a software engineer? Snoop Dogg is not a software engineer, born in Compton, California. But yeah, pretty fast response time. Now let's see if we can get this model to read a PDF, because that's something I can't do with LM Studio. So I'm just going to quickly look for a PDF off screen. Oh no, actually I have this knowledge file. So this is just some emails that I've received and me responding to them. So if I post this here, how much does TechFriend charge for a promo video? Can it answer from the okay. I mean, it says it right here, but that's just literally from the file. But let's see if the response has it. Okay, so Fire wasn't really good at reading the response. So I'm gonna unload this model just by going eject model here and then loading. Mixtral is probably the best one I have, but it's really big and it's really slow, so I'm gonna not do that. Let's do Mistral. Mistral is pretty good too. Mistral V0. I think there's a V2 now that I should install, but it's alright. We'll just go V0 and let's load the model again. Yes, Mistral. Okay. Let's make a new chat. Well, what are these buttons? News, personas, chat, draw, new chat, default. Upload this. Given this text file, determine how much TechFriend charges for a promotional video. Let's see if Mistral can figure it out. Dylan says, you have a pretty beefy machine. Mistral is not great on my machine. No, I just have a 2080 Ti with i9-90 CPU. It's definitely not beefy, but it was really good like 3 years ago, but yeah, it's not great. But it's enough to run these small 7 billion parameter models. I think they're okay with that. What GPU do I have? Yeah, 2080 Ti. Should say it here. Yeah. RTX 2080 Ti, that's my GPU, CPU, i9 990 KF. Yeah. Whoa, how did I do that? That's cool. I didn't know I could do that. And I don't know how to get out of that. Oh, you double click it. Oops. Oh. It's difficult to determine. How is it not reading the file, dude? The text file contains several messages, such as the price. However, there's no clear mention for the cost. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Okay, so the reading is not too good with Mistral. I'm gonna try the big Mistral file, the Mixtral. But in order to do that, I need to make this less GPU offload and less CPU threads. It's gonna be really slow, but it's alright. We're gonna be patient. Zad Times, hello friend. How are you doing? Happy New Year. But yeah, the possibilities of a tool like this is great. So it's good to have it. Let's make a new chat. Let's reload this model here. Oops. Local AI reload. Fetch error. I'm gonna restart the server. Try again. Yes. Okay. Cool. We got Mixtral. Upload the knowledge. Read this knowledge file and determine the promotional video rate charged by TechFriend. Can it figure this out? Okay. Whoa, that was fast. Whoa. Okay, I did not expect it to be that fast. And Mixtral was straight away able to determine the rate. So yeah. Wow, shouts out to Mixtral. I'm really surprised how fast it was. That is really awesome. Great. I don't know what else to test with this, but yeah, big AGI, really cool. Visualize. Yes, we need GPT 3.5 for that. Zad Times, thanks for the follow. You're a dev from Melbourne. Oh, awesome. Great to meet you. I've been learning Unreal Blueprints this month, and it's the first time I've had to use Git LFS. Yeah. I'm not sure what Unreal Blueprints are, but I know what Git LFS is. Large file storage, I think. So I'm assuming Unreal Engine blueprints are really big files that you probably wouldn't normally store in a normal Git, so you've had to use Git LFS. It's pretty easy to use. I'm sure you figured it out. Music Mist. I'm new here. I downloaded Dolphin Mistral 7B and Dolphin Mixtral on my laptop. I have a laptop with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Ooh, I don't know if that'll be enough. I soon figured out even the small one was very slow, so I ordered 16 gigabytes of RAM. No GPU. Yeah. Well, I have 30 or like 40 gigs of RAM. Let's see. I am also streaming. Yeah, 48 gigs of RAM. And I've used 32 gigs already. Probably because of... Let's see if I turn off the LM... Yeah, LM Studio is using 21 gigs. So that kind of gives you a feel of like how much RAM you need to run these like slightly larger models. Yeah, good luck. Exactly. Yeah, so I don't know if 16 will even be enough. I'm surprised you got it running with 8 gig of RAM, to be honest. Yeah, that was awesome. Thanks for suggesting that, Golden America. I'm no developer, but I love chatbots. Yeah, what kind of stuff do you do with the chatbots? Look, I'm really looking for use cases. That's what I'm really looking for these days. Because it's like we have all these tools, but it's like, what are the use cases that we should test them on? And then that's how we can compare them. But yeah, no, that was great. I definitely see myself using this tool. If I wasn't already paying for GPT Plus, I'd be using a tool like this. But yeah, I am paying for GPT Plus, so I don't really have a use for it at this stage. So that time says, I got a chatbot running on an e-commerce platform that manages automatic product returns. Awesome. Good to see. So I assume maybe you're a bit of an entrepreneur as well, which is great to see. I'm trying to be a better entrepreneur myself, make money without having to be a employee. That is goals. Okay. Shout out to Golden America, always coming in with the awesome knowledge. What should we go on to? Oh, okay, so I found this Google sheet with a whole bunch of AI agents, AI agent database. Did they say who created this? I forgot who created this. Oh, but shout out to whoever created this. I can't remember who it was. They really should have given credit to themselves here. But yeah. How many did I have? 63 agents. I'm gonna look at these hardware ones. I'm kind of interested on like where the hardware space is going with these agents. What's Humane? I know about the pin. Oh, this is the pin. Humane is the pin. Whoa, look at this URL, hu.ma.ne. Yeah, this one is just like a small thing and it like projects stuff on your hand. That's so cool. And I think does it have an LLM in it, or does it use the cloud? And you just like ask it stuff like, hey, what's this pineapple? Or like, you know, how many calories in this? Or, you know, stuff like that, because it has a camera as well. Which is something that I thought the Meta Ray-Ban glasses can do, but they actually can't. You can't actually ask questions about what it can see yet. So that's a bit annoying, but I'm sure maybe they'll include that later. Music Mist says, I try to do stuff like program a keyboard, which is essentially a keylogger. Oh shit. Do you think these chatbots will be... what? My access to Live Studio has been suspended due to repeated violations of community guidelines. That's fucking shit. I guess these are just the struggles of success. I honestly like don't remember the first time I got what is it? They don't even say like what I did. The reason is reproduced content, apparently. I don't know what I think that means. Like if you've already recorded something and then you host it again. That's definitely not what I'm doing. So I'm gonna submit my appeal, and we'll see what happens. It'll take about 24 hours to review your appeal. That's super shit. That is super shit. But did TikTok disconnect you? Yeah, they just claimed that I was showing reproduced content, like showing content that I'd already went live with or something, which was definitely not the case. I think just someone reported me. Someone was mad, they reported me, and I don't know, I guess they don't have a good way of telling. Or maybe multiple people reported me, who knows. Nicholas says, I feel the whole humane thing was a little overhyped. Wait, did I close it? I think it's pretty cool. It's definitely in its infancy though. Like, I really love like just the glasses and the humane pin. They're like kind of do the same thing. It's like you have something that's always ready to see what you're seeing and answer questions about it. I think that's awesome. So it's like it's just a step easier than, because you know these days we always pull out our phones to ask something. You can use your voice like, hey Google, you know, like you're trying to settle a debate with your friend. It just makes it like a couple minutes easier, or a couple like 30 seconds easier, just to be able to ask your pin, especially if you're trying to ask something about something that you're visually looking at. It'll make it a whole lot easier. Especially if you don't know what to search. You're like looking at this fruit and you're like, what is this fruit? Like, how do you Google that? Like, you'll have to take a photo of it. You know what I mean? Or you try to describe it. But like, yeah, this pin, I think this is where tools like this really shine. Who could be mad at you? You're awesome. Oh, thanks, Brutal Strike. There's always haters. Can't be surprised by that. Technologies like humane pins are privacy nightmares. Yeah, definitely. Like that's probably the biggest concerns is privacy. They're just constantly recording everything, but so is your phone. So I mean, we're already there. Yeah, this is annoying about TikTok. I submitted an appeal. Let's see what happens. Oh, I've only been suspended for 1 day. But it's so stupid. I appeal. The appeal takes 24 hours, but by the time that the appeal could be finished, it's like my suspension's already over. So yeah, it's a bit stupid, but whatever. Whoops. Yeah. Luckily, we're still on YouTube, still on Twitch, still on all the other platforms. So thanks, guys, for sticking around. I'm not gonna end this stream yet. We're still going. It's a bit sad because I think I had a lot of viewers on TikTok, but that's okay. Let's look at more of these hardware startups. Tab. Oh yeah, I've seen this one too. They don't give you any info though. Just pre-order. Wow, they let you pre-order, but they don't give you $600. Let's Google it. Do they have this dude's Twitter? They sometimes post this guy's Twitter. Avi Schiff. Oh, they have his LinkedIn. President of internetactivism.org. Interesting. Okay. Anything about Tab? Meet Tab. 20-year-old tech whiz. Wearable AI companion, integrating data from users' daily lives. Initial run for 100 units. Really vague, honestly. A lot of red flags. I think George Hart said this really well. It's like normally when a company is secretive, it's for the wrong reasons, and except for Apple. is like the only exception. So yeah, I'm not sure about tab. A lot of red flags for me. Nox devices. Rewind is cheaper. Yeah, is Rewind on this list? Yeah, Rewind is next. We will go on to that. Do you think uncensored chatbots can run on very low RAM? The brain of a human only uses 20. Yeah, I mean, we're obviously nowhere near as the efficiency of a human brain, but yeah, so I mean, like, theoretically they could. Realistically, these days the smaller agents aren't really that smart, so they're just not going to be as good. Job says, I think the vision with the pin will be hardest to use. Beam social network was hold phone to chest to film all the content and was framed poorly. Was that the Casey Neistat one? Yeah, no, I think that the use cases is different. If you remember me explaining, like, just the niche use cases of asking questions about, you know, your surroundings, or I don't know if the pin can do it, but like some of these, it's like, you know, if you forgot someone's name that you met, because it's recording everything, I think that's more Rewind. You can be like, what was that guy's name that I talked to today that had the hat? And it'll be like, that was Sandeep Pani. You know what I mean? Yo, Ferdinand, thank you again for the gift. Appreciate you. Nox, infinite memory. Once again, they look like they are quite secretive / in beta. Rewind AI. Okay, so this is one that Jobs is talking about. The 24/7 mic pendant, and oh yeah, this one actually started with like a software on your MacBook that recorded everything that you did on your MacBook, so you could ask questions being like, oh, what was that message I sent about, you know, this software to that guy? And then it'll be able to, like, yeah, at 2 o'clock you sent this message to that guy. And you could be like, how much time did I spend reviewing this tool? And it would be able to tell you and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what the software was, but it looks like now they're making, they haven't got anything on it on the website, but they're also making like a hardware device. So you can do essentially the same thing, but in real life. New computer is one that I've also heard about, which I think is a very similar. These are all very similar tools. Well, yeah, hardware, I guess. Small embedded things that record everything, and you can ask questions about it. Augmental World's first hands-free touchpad. What the hell? Let's watch a trailer.
I am living with quadriplegia.
I broke my neck in 2006, so it's been 17 years since I've been paralyzed.
I jumped from the back of a pickup truck, unfortunately, bent my neck backwards, and here I am.
I've already lost my front teeth from years of having pens and smashing my face off of a quad stick.
When I was first injured, I was trying to learn how to use like voice control to like type and do all my papers and homework, and it was so frustrating. That was part of just dropping out of school.
What is out there for people with quadriplegia to use in order to interface with their computers or their smart devices? And there's almost nothing.
I'm motivated about augmenting human ability. I'm interested in using technology in order to overcome all limitations.
At Augmental, we've always considered the tongue,
compared to all the other ones, these guys are actually showing what it looks like,
to be this very expressive and capable.
The actual like users of it, etc.
Part of our body. We've likened it to the 11th finger, if you will.
The tongue has a unique ability to be very nimble. It can learn very quickly. It has tremendous precision and dexterity that really you only really see in the finger.
Thank you.
The mousepad is an intraoral interface that lets you interact with computers without hands.
It rests on the top of your mouth. So this essentially
That's great. How does it use AI though?
enables you to use your tongue in the same way you would use your finger to interact with a trackpad, control your cursor, activate clicks, what have you, to control your computer.
Like, oh my goodness, like this is how it should be. It's very seamless. It's very easy to use. It's very intuitive.
Click on your phone and call someone would be like,
I hope we are special. Scientifically, these chatbots are just like us, only limited by a lack of sense. I tried Re1 6 months ago. Oh, you're a little disappointed? I used it on MacBook and the battery life was really bad. Yeah, that's what I assumed as well. If something's recording literally every single thing 24/7, well, like as soon as all the time your laptop's on, it'll probably use a lot of battery, hey. And I live in Germany. I couldn't handle other languages, but then, yeah. Nietzsche says, God is dead once science was founded, but now science is literally God-like chatbots. I wouldn't say we really have literally God-like chatbots, yeah, but yeah, I understand what you're saying. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that was Augmental. Augmental was sick. That was definitely my favorite one, although I don't think it uses AI at all, from what I saw. Fully wireless, tongue operated. Like this is a Google sheet of AI agents, but this is just I don't know. It's not really an AI agent. Whisper, a more human way to interact with technology. Okay. Whisper, the world first neural interface. How does it work? Product. Whisper. Neuromuscular interface. Oh, let's have a look at their careers. Oh, electron engineer. Holy crap. Software engineer. Okay, that was all the hardware ones. AI systems that can reason. I do want to try these sales ones. We'll definitely be checking out these auto agent web browsing agents probably next stream. I think we're gonna check those out next stream. Yeah, I feel like I might wrap this stream up unless I have anything else quick I can do. What was this? Oh, this is similar but for Gen AI startups. Yeah, there's a lot of these I haven't seen. Like, let's go through the top. Like, what's Photo Room? Oh, it's a background changer. Okay, great. That's cool. Civit AI? What's that? Civit AI. Open source generative AI. Oh, they have a LoRa trainer. That's pretty cool. Damn, these images are sick. And what, do they share the prompt and stuff? Oh, sick. They give you what resources they use. Liquid flow style LoRa 1.5 plus SDXL. And they give you the prompt and the negative prompt. Ah, that's really cool. Civet AI. I guess it's just for images. Oh, they do. Oh, they have bounties. Featured models. Team challenge. That's very cool. Unfortunately, I'm not really into the image generation as much. I can definitely appreciate it, but I haven't really got into like trying to make these really awesome, like high complex like models, you know, I mean like images. So cool. We'll have a look at a few more. Midjourney, Hugging Face, Perplexity, U, Leonardo, Pixlr. What's Pixlr? On Civet, you can search for LoRa's or other models based on Stable Diffusion. Yeah, it looks like that. That's really cool. I wouldn't really know where else to do that if I didn't have Civet. So, I mean, if I didn't know about Civet. Free online photo editor, image generation, and design tools. Oh, cool. Remove object, background, resize, touch up. Yeah, it seems like a lot of the most popular ones are actually image ones. V.io. I think this one is the video editor. Yeah. Very cool. Translation, subtitles, e-learning, sales. Tome. What's Tome? I feel like I've heard of that. Oh, presentations. You make like PowerPoint presentation type stuff. Damn, I didn't realize that was this popular. Copy a whole article and generate a presentation with it. Fair. AI Novel, Cutout Pro, Clipchamp. What's Clipchamp? Is that another one of these clipping ones? Fair enough. I'm surprised that that's more popular than CapCut. Oh, CapCut's not even on this. Alright, I'm just gonna go through all of these. Well, I feel like I'll learn a lot. evo.AI, what's this? All-in-one AI platform. There's so many of these. You can like switch models and talk to them, personas. Oh, it has long-term memory though. That's a cool thing. I don't know if big AGI had that. I feel like that's a big thing. Well, it depends how good it works. Like they claim that, but how good is it? What is this? Night Cali. Night Cali. Okay, maybe it wasn't Night Cali. Night Cafe. Night Cafe AI art generator. Okay, it's just another art generator. So many. Oh, but you can also fine tune. Your own fine tuning. Oh, that's pretty cool. Put yourself in the creations by fine tuning a face model. Oh, that's really awesome. Nice. I think I've seen Night Cafe actually, now that I think about it. Replicate, I've seen that. Speechify. I think that's similar to 11 Labs. Lexica. Fix says, are you currently building any AI projects of your own? Not actively. I do have Timestamp Genius, which creates timestamps from YouTube videos. And I do have Clickless Cage, which was meant to be a web browsing agent, but I've kind of stopped developing both of those. Like Timestamp Genius is still live, but Clickless Cage I've kind of stopped completely on. Yeah. Focal remover, right sonic, chat PDF, DID, chub.ai, what's that? Oh, I guess it's like character AI. Yeah. gptgo.ai. Free ChatGPT and search engine. Oh, cool. It's like a search engine with LLM. Runway, playground, Kyber. Yeah. Alright, let's do one more. Porn pen? Is that safe for work? Probably not. Deep swap. Alright, well, let's try ZMO.ai. What was that? Introducing another image generator. So many. I guess I have models, anime, portrait, background remover, yeah. Alright. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Apologies to everyone that was on TikTok. I got suspended for some reason, but you know, these are just the hurdles you face online being a creator. People report you for no good reason. Yeah. Hope you guys follow, subscribe, etc. I will be making as much content as I possibly can this year. Yeah, and I'll see you next time.